What's the meaning of axle? Axle. Axle.
Axle. Axle. The term axle refers to a central shaft or rod that can rotate and drive a wheel or set of wheels. It is an important component of various types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and trains. The axle's main function is to transmit the torque generated by the engine to the wheels, allowing the vehicle to move forward or backward. Without an axle, the wheels would have no means of propulsion, making the vehicle immobile. Therefore, axles are crucial for the transportation industry and play a significant role in enabling the movement of people and goods around the world.